took a little trip down to the coast and let y'all see this. I'm not sure what kind of perspective you're gonna get out of it, but I tell you what, Mother Nature was angry out there today. We're north of that hurricane, so we're kind of out of harm's way, but we're still getting, you know, 50, 60 mile an hour gusts, it seemed like, something like that. But that surf and them waves were stacked up monstrous. I mean, you could feel the power. It was kind of nerve-wracking. But here we go, follow us along. And got some kind of perspective on how much power that ocean was generating when we was out there, because in person, I mean, it was unbelievable. I have not witnessed that, and I've been around the ocean a long time. Well, thank you for watching. Sorry about the footage. Wasn't planned on trying to make no video out of it. Just figured maybe somebody would enjoy it. Till next adventure, Too Salty Fishing.